this trip just got so much better. Today's video is going to be part of the Motivational Makeup series. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. So I wanted to keep the intro short and sweet because we do get a little chatty in the video. So if you are excited to see that and also how I do this face of makeup, make sure you keep on watching. I want to make this video more of a chit chat, get ready with me style, so I'm not going to go as into depth of what I'm doing, but I will put on the screen the items that I'm using, and also they will be linked in the description box down below once again for you guys. I already have my SPF on and my eyes are already primed with my Smashbox eyeshadow primer, but I want to go ahead and apply this moisturizer because I don't think I've applied it on screen. I have mentioned it in a video before. This is the Dr. Brandt Mattifying Hydrator, and I wanted to apply it because when I haven't applied it on camera, and also too, it's blue, so it's kind of interesting. But yeah, this is just supposed to mattify your skin and reduce your pore size, which I have problems with enlarged pores, especially on my nose area. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with, let me show you. Unfortunately, the front is rubbed off. I've had this for a little while, but this is the Makeup Revolution and Emily Edit collaboration. I'm gonna go in with that, and then the all over glitter that I'm going to apply is from this MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid in the shade Rayon Rays. It's beautiful, but first off, I'm just gonna kind of go in with a neutral look on my eyes. Once it gets started, then we are going to get into the chit chat part. So I want to go in with a pretty like neutral color, this shade right here, Prayer. And I'm going to go in with this Luxie 243 brush. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure whenever this is going to go up because I am pre-filming, but I did recently get back from a Jonas Brothers concert, and August 10th is like literally going to be the best day of my life for the foreseeable future. Yes, I think I got a package. Shh. I hope this package is for me. I've been waiting for something. Is Milo gonna come and bark? It's very possible. Okay. This is a little bit more pink toned than what I remembered, so I might want to use a little bit of a different color as well. Anyway, so I went to Tampa. I'd never been to Tampa before. That was my first time going. You know, that would be, since I've never been there, that would obviously be my first time going. It was very humid and hot, but the Jonas Brothers were there, and I was so excited. As I was saying, that was on August 10th, so literally the week before, I had problems sleeping. I don't sleep the best anyway, but I was just so excited. I'm an OG fan. I loved them since like their SOS days, their When You Look Me in the Eyes. Let me tell you, like I completely lost it. I warned the people beforehand, like the people that I went with, like you're gonna see a whole different side of Hannah. Like I'm not gonna hold back. I need to go with true fans so I can just enjoy myself the best way possible, and I did. Like I love all of their current songs, obviously. Like I'm an OG fan. I love them so much. Like them coming together was like one of the highlights of my 2019, obviously. Honestly. So yeah, I loved their current songs, but I really loved their old songs too, because there was so much nostalgia. It's just crazy because I loved them obviously in high school a lot, but like my parents were not going to pay for me to go to a concert, which is fine. Like seriously, like I know it sounds like I'm like salty or whatever, but it just like, that was not my childhood. Like I listened to them, but it wasn't like an option to go to a concert. So I never would have thought, like it wasn't even a thought of seeing them perform. So I'm so happy. All of my dreams came true. I think I want to go in with Pi-Fi, which is like a deep purple. Yeah, I think that's the color I'm going to kind of apply a little bit below where I went in with Prayer but still visible. So Pi-Fi is this purple shade that I'm sure you can't really see, but you're gonna see it on my eyes. And this is the Sigma E34. Yes, cool. So, so their openers were Jordan McGraw, which I'd never heard of him before, but I did listen to a couple of his songs before, seeing him live, so I could at least, be a little bit familiar with what he was doing. And then the other one was BB Rexa, and I thought she did great. Like, I already loved her stuff, but I just love her so much more. Like, you could tell she was really having fun on stage. I loved it. Like, it was honestly so much fun. And so my other friend who went with us said that was probably like the most hyped concert she had been to, and I would agree. Like, I went to Taylor Swift last year, and that was like an amazing, amazing performance. But all of the fans, or at least most of them, were like around people my age, and it was just great. Like, we were all like taken back to high school. Like, it was great being there with all of those OG fans. And I mean, there was people younger than me there too, but like, they were really excited, so I was fine. Like, you can go, but you need to like listen to their music. You had to be aware. Not that I had to say in it, but I don't know. It was a great concert. The atmosphere. Oh, also another thing that I'm failing to remember or failing to mention was it was completely sold out. And so I went to the Amalie Arena in Tampa, which to me it looked, that would be smaller because Taylor Swift was in the Superdome. But I'm not sure how many seats that is, but it was sold out. Like, even the tickets like way back in the nosebleeds, where it was like almost behind stage, where you couldn't even necessarily see a lot of stuff, which I would have gotten if I had to, but I got the pre-sale tickets. Like, even there was people up there. It was crazy. I need to get my eyebrows waxed again. But I also spent a lot of money this past weekend whenever I went to see the Jonas Brothers. So, like, to be determined whenever I actually get my eyebrows waxed. I also went in an Uber for the first time. I'm glad my friend suggested that because, I mean, I don't know if we ended up saving money because obviously the Uber cost, but regardless, we didn't have to pay for parking and didn't have to deal with leaving the parking garage afterwards. So we Ubered, and it was great. It's fine, no complaints. I just applied a little bit of a different gold shadow on my inner corner for some dimension, and then I also wiped away the fallout. So now I'm gonna go in with this Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Puffing Gel. Use about that much, disperse it between my ring fingers. But yeah, they were all having so much fun on stage. I was here for it. And whenever I was younger, I did not appreciate Kevin for like how great he is. Like, my order used to be Nick, Joe, Kevin, but now it's for sure Kevin and then Joe, Nick. I mean, I love them all. I was about to put some more moisturizer on. I mean, I love them all, but especially like Kevin as a dad, like, oh my gosh. I love him so much. Like, he looks like such a good dad. That's primer, Becca primer. Looks like such a good dad. Like, he's adorable with his girls. Also, Nick and Joe as uncles. I'm here for it. It's just so cute. Oh my goodness, I forgot. So, also, the family was there, which I was so excited. Well, I didn't see Kevin's daughters, so I'm not sure if they were like watching from somewhere else or anything like that. But the way that the stage was, like this, from my point of view, just a second, let me blend this a little bit more. It's a little crazy. From my point of view, that's got real high. We're gonna fix that in a second. The stage, like the main stage was over here, and then on this other side was like a smaller stage, and there's like some tables and chairs and stuff. But like right before the performance, so they didn't come for the openers. Just a second, let me fix this. It's It's like a little bit better. We're just gonna go with it. This is a white eyeshadow. So, right before they came on, the wives and Frankie, I'm not sure if their parents were there too, but I could see the wives and like Frankie coming in and like people cheered for them. I'm not a Game of Thrones fan, but I mean, I still do know who Sophie Turner is. So she was there. It was great. Then Danielle, Kevin's wife, was there. And also, why am I blanking? Priyanka Chopra, the queen. Nick's wife was there. I love her so much. I watched I'm blanking on her show. Quantico. Yes. I watched all of Quantico and I didn't really see much with her before that. But anyway, so I watched all of Quantico and I love her so much. And it was adorable. Like they all were like fangirling. Like whenever they went to that closer stage, they were like had their phones out and just like were here for it, like singing along, like jamming hard. It's like, yes, queen. Oh my gosh, it was such a great experience. So not only did I get to see the Jonas Brothers, but like their wives were there. Also fangirling, going hard, and enjoying the concert. And it was great. It was so much fun. Oh, also, so I told you my order, like I love them all, but who's your favorite Jonas brother? Please let me know in the comments down below. Would love to see. But yeah, like especially, so they all had fun on stage, you could tell, but especially Kevin was like so much in his element. I was just like, you were obviously excited, you know, like I was obviously excited to be there to see them and everything, but I just made it, it made it so much more fun seeing how much fun they were having on stage. Like, we had such a good time. We had such a good time. Also, if you haven't seen their documentary on Amazon Prime, highly recommend it. It's great. And they have a book coming out later this year that I also want to get. Like, I was already such a Jonas Brothers fan, but now, like, I am even more. I really like how the eyes turned out, but I wish I had my eyebrows done. Like, my eyebrows being done just gives me confidence. I don't know if any of you guys can relate. Get what I'm saying? I'm so paranoid now that I did not hit record or that it's like not recording or something. Whew. So that was the concert experience. We did go, well, me and my best friend went to the Florida Aquarium. I hadn't been that morning, or not morning, afternoon. I hadn't been to an aquarium in a long time. I thought it was pretty nice. I love aquariums in general. So that was fun. And then, so driving there was a billboard for Ikea and I got real excited because I've literally wanted to go to Ikea for years. Like, I watch Ikea hauls on YouTube, like Ikea shop with me's. I didn't have anything that I necessarily wanted and like I didn't need to go to Ikea, but it's just one of those stores I really wanted to go to, you know what I'm saying? So I got real excited and then my friend was like, we can go Sunday coming back. This trip just got so much better. So Sunday, I went to Ikea for the first time, walked through like the entire store, did not spend all of my savings. Good job, Hannah. But I did get a pillow. So the purchases that I purchased were all justified. Like I thought I was just gonna get like, you know, a couple small like fake succulents or something, or like something that I didn't really need, but like I wanted to get something from Ikea because I wanted to go to Ikea forever. But my purchases were actually justified and the things that I needed. So good job. Way to adult, Hannah. 25's looking great on you so far. So I've needed a pillow for a really long time. And I don't think I got one that was like quite memory foam, but it's, I mean, I feel like it almost is, but it's just a great pillow. Anyway, that was $30. So I thought, especially for like a memory foam type pillow, like that's a pretty good deal, I thought. And then I got two sets of like drawer organization things that I've also been looking at for a while. Like I probably could have gotten them from Amazon, but they were like $5 each, I think, $5 or $6 each. So I got two sets of those for drawer organization, and then I got this coffee frother thing situation that I've not used yet because it didn't come with batteries, obviously. but I've also wanted something like that for a long time. And I don't know if they still have it at World Market and they just moved it. But anyway, I know that they used to have one at World Market, but it was, I feel like $5 or $6. But this one from Ikea was like $1.78. So yes, I picked it up. Very pleased with that purchase. And those are all of the things that I got from Ikea. That's it. But yeah, it was great. We spent, so I was planning on going with my friend Sarah at some point, and I told her like, yeah, like I'm gonna need like 6 hours there, and she's like, like I'm not kidding. But we only spent like 2.5 hours there, and about 40 minutes of that was sitting in the cafe area because they have food too, y'all. That was so southern, but anyway, so we spent like 40 minutes in the cafe area drinking coffee because I did not get much sleep on that trip. Like no regrets, but man, I was so tired Sunday. And his coffee was only $1 and it was free refills. So like, might as well sit there for a little bit and get yourself a couple refills, or at least that's what I did. But yeah, it was a great experience. That is pretty much my trip. I mean, I'm still gonna go on with my makeup, but I might speed through this process a little bit more. So this video is not 30 minutes long, but like to be determined. We shall see. Also, if you have any other ideas for videos, let me know in the comments down below. I just did almost all of the rest of my makeup really quick because I wanted to save space on my phone. Not sure if I was gonna run out of space again because I did that for one video and now I'm like forever scarred. But I did want to show you the lip products that I'm gonna be using. I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay Lips Pencil in the shade Naked 2, and I haven't used this yet on my lips. I've just swatched it on my hand. Oh, also I always forget to mention this, but I notice it, I don't know if you do or not, but like this knuckle area, like I applied to self tanner last night and that is what that's from. I'm gonna try to improve that in the future, but for now, just a little reminder that I apply self tanner because I'm very pale naturally. This also reminds me of the shade Rush as well, but a little bit more of a neutral tone. Rush is a little bit more pink. And over top, I'm going to apply this lip color that I got from an Ipsy bag a while ago. It's from the brand Seraphine Botanicals, and I think the shade is Raisin and Cream. I think it pairs pretty nicely with my eye look. I'm not totally sure. I might have wanted to go with a more neutral shade, but here we are now, so we're just gonna go with this color. That is the completed look. Let me know if you like this by giving it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, don't forget to let me know your favorite Jonas Brothers in the comments down below. I'm very curious. I want to know. And if you have any other video ideas, that was the second thing. So either favorite Jonas Brother and or any other video ideas, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to check out and see what your thoughts are on that. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. I already said thanks for watching, so I'll see you in my next video.